Hi friends, most of us know about route guards. If it is new to you, I suggest you to see my video on route guards in which I have explained all 5 interfaces: canActivate, canActivate child, canDeactivate, canLoad and resolve with example. These interfaces are used to create class-based route guards. In Angular 15, functional route guards got introduced. That is what I am going to explain in this video using a simple example. Before we get into that, I request you to subscribe to this channel and support me. That will help me a lot. Thanks. Okay, let's start. I have created this application in which there is a home page, an user page and an admin page. Also, there is a login button. On clicking, this will be changed to logout. I can navigate between user page, admin page and home page. But in case if I have not logged in, then I cannot go to the admin page. I have achieved this using a route guard. I have a service in which I have a boolean variable. On clicking this login button, I am changing that to true. And on clicking logout button, I am changing that to false. And in the route guard, I am checking whether that variable is true. That means whether the user has been logged in. If it is so, I am allowing the user to go to the admin page. Otherwise, I am routing the user to the access denied page. We can see this is a class-based route guard. This application is developed using Angular 14. Now let me upgrade this application to Angular 15. Now we can see this canActivate interface has been deprecated. That means in near future, this will be removed. So it is important to move from class-based route guards to functional route guards. Also, in class-based route guards, there are a lot of boilerplate codes. We can avoid this in functional route guards. Let me show you how we can do that. If I change this file, it may confuse you. Instead, let me create a new file. In this, let me create a function. Inside this function, let me copy my route guard logic. In class-based route guards, we have the constructor, and so we use that to inject our dependencies. So in functional route guards, how we can do that? There is no constructor. Here we can use the inject function from Angular core. Inject function is used to get a reference to an injection token from the injector. So now instead of this dot, we can use these local variables. That's it. Now the final step is to configure our route guard in the route. Let me remove the class-based route guard. Now we can see our admin route is not protected. Even without login, we can go to the admin route. So we just need to add the function name here to protect our route. Let's test it once. We can see our route is protected now. So using functional route guards, we have reduced a lot of code and achieved the required functionality. Finally, one more thing I want to highlight is we don't need to create the functional route guard in a separate file. Instead of this, we can directly write our logic here. This will also work, but it is advisable to maintain this in a separate file. Hope you understood. Please subscribe to this channel and support me. Also, put your valuable comments in the comment section. I'll be back with another interesting concept soon. Thank you. Bye.